hey! Welcome to Rockstar Massage. I'm your host, Leia Lockheart, and welcome to Skinny Secrets, Part D. Today's topic is portion control. Skinny people don't eat a lot of food, period. Because I've tried all of the lifestyle changes and diets, I've heard them say, eat as much as you want. That's wrong. The two lifestyle changes that came to mind are the fruitarian and vegan diets. These two diets in particular, I tried for 3 months each when I was at my heaviest and stayed heavy. Later on, I asked 2 skinny vegan friends if they eat a large quantity of food, and they both said no. If you eat enough food so your body is not overwhelmed, it's enough to give you energy so you can move about your day. Volume of food in your stomach, even if it's healthy food, can simply be too much. A high volume of food overwhelms the digestive process. The stomach needs to have enough space to move the food around to allow the digestive enzymes to break down all the food. If the digestive system gets overwhelmed, you may feel tired because the body just wants to stop and digest. When it comes to portions, another deceitful phrase we have all heard is 5 or 6 small meals. I never knew what that meant. What that means is snacks. If the meals look like snacks and the snacks look like snacks, then you've got it correct. Portion control is a skill that you must master. When you develop the skill, it will be monumentally easier to lose weight and maintain a healthy weight. Portion control took me a long time to figure out for these 3 reasons. Number 1, American restaurant portions are way too big. 2, I come from a family that does not waste food. And number 3, I eat for pleasure. The first trick is to use bowls that are pre-measured. This bowl holds 2 cups of volume, and to the very, very brim, 2 2/3 cups. The capacity of this bowl will be enough food for me to feel satiated and not enough to cause weight gain. I have trained myself that this is enough food for me. I also utilize this bowl. Its capacity is 1 cup, and to the brim, it's 1 2/3 cup. So if I want a main course, I will put the main course here and use this size bowl for the side salad. So the trick is to fill this bowl, and if you want to put it in a larger bowl or on a plate, then you can just dump it out on that plate, and you know that is enough food. Eating out is a trigger for me because I don't like to waste food. Eating in restaurants can be anxiety inducing because they use way more butter, oils, high caloric ingredients, and way more salt. Their portions also contain more carbs than I would normally eat. Here's the tricks I use when eating in a restaurant. Number 1, eat extremely slow. Take a bite, put the fork and knife down, talk with your dinner mate, take a drink of water between bites, and then repeat. Number 2, when you honestly feel satiated, ask for a box, or ask for a box when you're first ordering your food so you have it there sitting waiting for you when you're ready. There is no shame in your weight loss game. Number 3, if you cannot take the leftovers with you, order from the appetizer menu with a side salad. There's nothing carby or fried, just use your best judgment. Thank you so much for watching part 2 of Skinny Secrets. Here is a photo of me from 2005, just to prove to you that yes, I have been there and done that. All the puppies are sleeping, so I'll send you off today, and look out for part 3.